Your players was a glitch or Davi's adventures. Say we're gonna try to play the Way of Life free demo. Or free edition actually, it might be a full game. I feel like it's gonna ask me to sign in, so I might have to pause this. No, it's not. Cool. It's not letting me see my bar though, so I might not be able to do consecutive recordings of this unless it lets me save. Cyber coconut. That sounds yummy. Way of life. Settings. Can I get a windowed mode? Yes. Thank you. Apply. Thank you. Now I can see my bars, so I'll be able to keep recording over and over. Controls. Mouse sensitivity. I'll go ahead and make that a little bit more. That should be English, I think. Okay, continue. Welcome, friend. Who am I? It doesn't matter. Help me reach the bright void. I can move with Watson. I look around with mouse. Is there anything to look at? Hunter, stop it. I can interact with objects and situations around me with the key E. I can't pause this, so Hunter, you're just gonna have to stay in this room. Whenever I feel lost, I can collect my thoughts by pressing Q in each situation. My thoughts are many, so you can press the key more than once. Okay? I can pick up some objects by pressing E. Let's try with that ball. Can you stop that? I can collect again my thoughts to find out what to do next. Jasper, stop it. That's my thought. I can put the ball inside the basket by pressing E again. Okay. Oh, that basket. Cool. I look old, but oldness is just a human concept. I can run with shift and jump with space. Okay. Shift and then... Oh, I can. That's kind of hard to hold. And then space, I can jump. Okay. Am I going to need to do this again? Oh, that's when I'm going to need it. Okay. So space is jump and this is run. So. Alright. Thank you, my dear friend. Beyond that door, there's a bright void. Now we can start our journey through the way of life. Oh, so you were the tutorial! Oh, there's a lot of doors. Which one is that? It looks like a trophy. Definitive edition. Money. Information. Oh, cool. These are people, and I will go back to this. I will go back to this, but I want to do the game part first. Oops. Alright, so, there's no truth, there's only perception. Gustave Flaubert. What is this feeling? I feel at peace with myself. All the weight is gone. What happened? Did I die? Full of opportunities. There's so many doors, so many occasions. There's only one thing that I really want now. Oh, it's coming out right in front of me. Oh, I'm scared to walk though. I don't want to fall off and die. What is it that I really want to do? No! No! I just died. Gosh. So I gotta be more careful. If I find this difficult, what am I gonna do when it actually gets difficult? Oh, is this the door I want to go through? This is my office. What's going on? Everyone's euphoric. It's raining money from the sky. Alright, I guess I'm supposed to be collecting things. If I really did that in real life, I think I'd freak out. I'd be more worried about people trying to kill me to get the money than I would about money being there. Taking enough money to live like a king. The elevator is open. I didn't mean to take that. I have enough money now.